This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at the Minecraft drink from Radlberger. Chorus fruit, golden apple, melon. This is what is written on here. And I know these things because I actually do play Minecraft, and I've been playing quite a bit of Minecraft recently. I've even uploaded a video onto my second channel a month or two ago. So it was interesting for me to see this at my local Globus, and I think getting it and reviewing it is appropriate for me at this particular point in time. Let us take a quick look around the can. This is what it looks like here. We've got a regular, normal top of this thing, then a regular bottom. It is best consumed before the 12th of December of 2026. We can zoom in on this a little bit. Radlberger is an Austrian brand. Minecraft is not very Austrian, and here we have got a Steve, then the woman, and then we have a zombie and a dog. Yes, and the Mojang logo right here. 2025 Mojang AB. What does AB mean? I do not know. Let us take a quick look at the nutrition table right here. Pause if you want to read it at any given point in time, and pause if you want to take a look at the ingredients list right here as well. We have got a refreshing beverage with apple, berry, watermelon flavor. Yeah, it's mostly water, 30% apple juice out of apple juice concentrate, carbonic acid, natural apple aroma with other natural aromas, or flavors I should say, and as an acidifier we have got citric acid, and as colorings we have got carotene and some sugar color, Zuckercouleur. I guess that's what it's like. Eh? I guess that is what it is called. I cannot English at the moment. And this right here is Austria, if I am interpreting this particular set of information correctly. Yeah, of course the signature can deposit of 25 cents here in Germany. Without further ado, let us get into this. Now, chorus fruit I don't have that much to do with, but golden apples are nice, and well, melons I don't have that much to do with either in Minecraft. I'm currently reviving and also expanding a local village that I am using to gather many emeralds and many potions of enchantment. Okay, that was my phone, not keeping in mind that it's on silent. It's on this like snooze, or silent when it's face down on somewhere, but it still made a noise. Okay, I'll check that out later. Let us open up this thing without further ado. Over 3 minutes into the video, let us open this up. Whoopa. Ui, 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 ui. Ui, 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 ui. Katastrophe. Ui, 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 ui. Yeah, I probably should have been a bit more careful in preparation of this video with this particular can. Oh, it smells of apple. That's all I'm smelling right now. It smells of apple, yeah. It does have fizz. It's a fizzy drink, as we can see. Scent-wise, it wasn't just apple from a distance. It is apple up close as well. Lots of apple. Oh my god. Very intense apple scent. It reminds me, in terms of scent, very much of these apple gummies. Yeah, sour apple gummies. This is what this reminds me of mostly. It's got a slight pinkish hue to it, it seems. Let's go for a taste test. 4 minutes into the video now. So, I hope Minecraft tastes different. This stuff here is watery, most of all. I would have expected with the, like, it's just 30% of apple juice out of apple juice concentrate, right? But they also put some apple flavorings inside as well. I would have thought that this would taste more of apples, but it smells more of apples than it tastes of apples. Color-wise, it looks interesting. Certainly looks like there is some orange reddish coloring in it, like the carotene. carotene. Usually it's an English word when you pronounce a German word in an English way, right? At least that's what I tell myself. Yeah, also out of the glass. It tastes even less of apple now, because it's not as, you know, concentrated under the nose as it is here. No, it tastes of watered down Apfelschorle. Yeah, very watered down Apfelschorle. So Apfelschorle is apple juice, and then you have sparkling water. This is what we here in some European countries, Germany among them, understand as Apfelschorle. It's a very nice, refreshing beverage in summer. And this one here really reminds me of that. It's just Apfelschorle, apple sparkling water, apple flavored sparkling water. Yes, in this case here, certainly, because it doesn't taste that much of apple, just very watered down, not very natural. And yeah, I have to say that I'm a bit disappointed. Especially, so the melon thing is supposed to be giving this the red color, right? But I don't have any melon flavor that I can identify just from tasting this. No, not really. Maybe a hint of it. It's got this, do you know when you have watermelon chewing gum and you have this sort of scent in your nose, and this is giving you quite a bit of that flavor, right? But the actual thing itself in this case doesn't really taste that much of melon. Maybe it's just some sort of scent making that particular sensation happen. Yeah, I guess a slight burp as well, a slight flavor of melon. It's mainly just watered down apple juice with heaps of sparkling water and some colorings. This is really all it is, and I have to say that this is a bit disappointing, to be honest. The Minecraft drink, yeah, I do love Minecraft. I've been playing it off and on for a very long time. And this particular drink here doesn't do it justice, no. I mean, nowadays you have all sorts of stuff with every license imaginable, right? But I think this particular drink could have gone without the Minecraft license, yeah. Fun idea, but overall a bit disappointing. I would give this a 4 out of 10, because the apple flavor is not where it should be. The other stuff here, I don't even know. Just tastes too watered down. That's all I can say about this. Yeah, disappointing. But if you have had this before, feel free to let me know down in the comment section whether or not you liked it, and if I should try out more similar stuff, then also let me know in the comment section below. Sorry for being a bit weird today. I am all over the place with my words, and last week there wasn't a video at all. Reason for that is that my mind is everywhere at the moment, and I bought a new car, well, almost 10-year-old used car, but for me new car, last Friday, and I've been trying that out, looking at stuff, getting winter tires for it. I'm in the order now, I'm getting them next week. But there was a lot of stuff that has been going on, so please excuse the lack of a video last week. I am trying to make my way back to a regular Saturday occurrence with my uploads, and hope to keep that up for months and months and months. Okay, I think now it's finally time to end this particular video. If you have got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below, and if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.